What if I told you that it's actually bad to put cardboard in your garden? Well, there's some new research that's suggesting that very thing. I came across this interesting article on gardenprofessors.com from Dr. Linda Chalker Scott. And she has been screaming into the wind for quite a few years now that people should stop using cardboard. And she has some data that now backs that up. And it's primarily for two reasons. First of all, she advocates that you should not be using cardboard as a sheet mulch. So this would be in your flower beds or in your garden where you're just trying to stop weed growth from happening. The reason being is using this as a sheet mulch actually stops the air exchange between the air and the ground. And so it can actually cause low oxygenation underneath that cardboard, which is really bad for the soil. And her way of remediating that would be to ditch the cardboard and instead opt for wood chips to be your mulch in your garden or landscape. The wood chips will act as that weed barrier. They're also going to break down over time and enrich the soil while still allowing gas exchange to happen. So that way all the microbes in the soil can have access to oxygen and you'll end up with a much healthier soil microbe. Now, the next reason is actually even more interesting, I think, and that is that cardboard might actually contain things that you don't want to include inside your garden or your compost that you would be using for vegetable gardening. The other piece of research she came upon was that a lot of cardboard material actually contains contaminants such as PFAs, which are considered to be forever chemicals. They don't break down in the soil. And that's pretty concerning because I see so many people that will tear up cardboard, put it into their compost pile, or even fill up the bottom layer of their raised beds. Could they actually be putting contaminants into the soil that they don't want to be there? It looks like it could be true. Now, I totally understand the appeal of recycling a material that you were going to throw away anyway. I get it. And I also understand that there have been many, many successful gardeners that have used cardboard in their garden in the past, including the lasagna method for layering compost into raised beds. However, these are two very real concerns that actually have data backing them up. And really, there are many, many other ways to get organic, high quality material into your gardens without using something that potentially could have harmful chemicals in it. I'm going to drop a link to that article down below and you can check it out for yourself. But let me know what you think. Are you still going to use cardboard in your gardens? I don't know.